Hey guys, Jeremy from DSC Sport. We just got done wrapping up the installation on this Gen 6 Camaro SS 1LE that got our Tractive RT suspension system. It's a true coilover front and rear setup with front adjustable caster and camber plates, and getting set up for track this car. So we're getting ready to set it up on the alignment rack here, put the alignment heads on, and get our spec sheet out and align it to our specs. Hey guys, I'm here getting ready to flash the Tractive calibration file to this Gen 6 Camaro. Pretty easy to do. I already downloaded the file to my computer. So all I'm going to do is open up the Tractive file. It's in my download section already, right here. Data populated. I'm going to do a tools, write all, and begin. And let it do its thing. Now that we have the Tractive RT suspension on this car with the Tractive calibration file, this car is going to handle like it's on rails. It's going to be pretty freaking awesome to hear the feedback from this guy on this suspension kit.